Hello friends, I'm Dr. Manoj Badwa, Chairman and Executive Director Elite Orthopedics. I am a doc, so I need to speak about health and fitness. But what if we go one step ahead and speak of health, fitness with dance? That's what friends is Jas Kishan's dance dacha. I have been thoroughly impressed with them, and today it's a glorious day. They have done 10 successful years, incredible years of success, making people dance, fitness, musty. The best part I've always felt about this organization per se, seeing my daughter, my mother is, they are fit for all ages, they are suitable for all ages, and everybody enjoys being as a part of that family. I've seen Jas, I've been a fond admirer of her, and the same innovation goes across into the entire Dacha family, where the smile on their faces, the confidence in which they interact, and above all, the kind of belongingness they create in their family has been a stupendous part. So on this day, finishing 10 years, I wish each and every member of Dance Dacha family a wonderful life ahead, a wonderful years ahead, and fitness for all people who are partly associated with them. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. M.S. Narula, orthopedic surgeon practicing in the Tri-City. I've been associated with Jas and her Dacha group for last many years. And let me tell you, apart from her obvious talent, skill and experience, her energy and enthusiasm is so contagious, and the way she transfers this to every member of her group, this is so amazing. She has uniquely combined dance and fitness and made it so much fun for all of us. On her 10th anniversary, I congratulate her and wish her loads and loads of success in this amazing venture, and may she continue to inspire us on this journey of dance and fitness. All the best, Jas. God bless you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Seema Vadwa, Associate Director Gynecology from Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mohali. I'm here today to wish my good friend Jas Kishan on completing 10 years of her dance academy, that is Dance Dacha. And for a decade, she has been instrumental in spreading joy and happiness to individuals of all age group, and that is what is so beautiful about her work. I really appreciate and admire her dedication towards her passion. And since dance is her passion, she's been doing it so well all along these years. I can see that enthusiasm in my daughter now, who's been associated with her for a while. And even during these corona times, when there is lockdown, classes are not happening, so she's attending online classes, and I can see that enthusiasm, that eagerness, and she waits for these classes, the happiness that it brings her to her, and definitely the fitness that comes along with it. So whether it be children or young adults or elderly women or men, fitness is what is important, and as a doctor I really appreciate that. So thank you once again, Jas Kishan, for giving us so many moments of happiness, and congratulations to you and your entire team for being so good at it.
Hi, I'm Dr. Neetu Narula, and I'm a cosmetologist in Chandigarh. Today, I would like to congratulate Jas and her team Dacha for their 10th anniversary. Here, I have a few things to say. Jas has been an amazing person, and I've known her for years now. She's been a great friend and always been there for me. As a trainer, as a dance teacher, she's just too good. She exudes so much of energy, and it is easily absorbed by everyone around her. She's put her heart and soul into Dacha, And that's the reason what Dacha is today, because of her, because of her endeavors, because of her great efforts. And I wish Jas and her team Dacha a great, great year ahead. And may Dacha keep rocking and reach new heights. Thank you.
I congratulate Jaske Shan Dance Dacha on successfully completing 10 years of dancing. Keep on dancing and keep everybody fit. Congratulations once again, all the best.